they don't want to do a Santa Scotto. Hey. Today's a new day and it's actually Matt's birthday. Matt isn't really into gifts, it's not his love language. Look what Matt's just seen. So we have walked from Shoreditch to Chelsea. He loves us, you know, he's happy.
For birthday.
Now it's your turn to go to bed. Now it's your turn to go to bed.
Just moan about when
you
we
just
get back.
never sit, and then the dog starts.
You wanted them all.
Good morning. Today we're off to have a festive day with just my two older boys. They basically finished school a little bit before Jackson, so he's the primary school this week, but he's doing like loads of just fun stuff. So I thought while he is, we could have a festive day out. Obviously they are 12 and 15, so you know they don't want to do like things that we used to do when they were little, like they don't want to do a Santa Scotto, panto, all of those kind of like little kid things. So I thought I would book ice skating. I actually went ice skating last week on like a work event and it was so much fun and they actually love it. They're really good at it. So I thought I would check if there were any tickets, and there were. So we're off to Somerset House today in London, booked for like 11 o'clock. So it's 9 a.m. now. We're driving to the station and we're going to skate for a bit and then hopefully do something festive afterwards. I had wanted to take them into like central London or Harrods, but like to see the lights or, you know, do something festive. But I think it is going to be really, really busy. What is the date today? Is it the 18th? 17th? Yeah, it is like peak Christmas time. So it might be too crazy. If not, we might ice skate, get something to eat, go to East London or do something festive. I'm not sure. Don't actually have a plan, but it will be fine. And it'll just be nice to like get them out. I feel like I've been a bad mum. I feel like we've not done like that many like festive things this year. I know, right? And also gets them out of the house, off the screens, all of that stuff. So yeah, we're just driving to the station now, and yeah, I thought I would like do a little bit of a vlog of like what we get up to. I've got my festive jacket on. This is from River Island. I just love it so much. I feel like as soon as you put it on, you just look like Christmas. What are you laughing at? Matt's not coming. His dad is actually over from Spain, so he is going to meet up with him today.
Feliz Navidad.
Yeah, catch up, have a coffee, and stay with Kiki as well. So yeah, it is a mummy and big boys day. So yeah, let's go.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside, outside, outside.
do you want me to have the kids? So she has the kids overnight, and then we can do something, stay out, and sort of celebrate your birthday.
It's almost like she gave birth to me.
It's actually, well, I'm going to do that when I'm a mother-in-law. I'm going to say, do you guys want to have a night away? Matt isn't really into gifts. It's not his love language. So we did a couple of gifts this morning, but really, we normally do that an experience, don't we?
Yeah.
We almost always go away for a night for your birthday.
Yeah.
So we're in London, and I just thought I would show you guys what we get up to. We haven't got like a huge plan.
No, we're just going to walk around, but it's nice to walk in London without
Especially
the
when it's
kids
sunny.
moaning.
Yeah.
As much as they love it for the first hour,
Yeah.
the novelty wears off.
Yeah. Well, we can actually like walk quite far today, and it's really, really nice weather.
Yeah.
So
it's going to
should
be busy.
fun.
So
yeah.
like we're thinking we probably want to avoid the tube.
Yeah.
So we're going to walk
Yeah.
quite far.
Yeah.
Get our steps in.
That'd be nice. He's like,
Now dinner.
I've planned a little like 8-mile walk.
It's not 8 miles. It's about 5 miles.
Yeah. No, but it'd be nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go. Look what Matt's just seen.
One's for you, kids.
6, 7. Oh.
If we say it enough, they'll stop saying it.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
So we have walked from Shoreditch to Chelsea. We've done over 15,000 steps, and now we're at Ivy Asia. So we love the food in here, don't we?
Yeah.
And we got some sushi, we got spicy tuna rolls, and I've got a spicy margarita. Matt's got a little fancy mocktail. And we're getting duck and stuff, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to walk home as well, yeah?
Are we? It's like a marathon.
And I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you.
Birthday.
I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning.
So now we've come all the way from Sloane Square to Chinatown because Matt really loves this bubble wrap. It's basically a waffle which is wrapped around ice cream. You can have loads of different toppings and stuff. And he was like, I really want that, and it's my birthday. So we got the tube up to here and we ordered this. I got waffle, Biscoff ice cream, Biscoff cookies, chocolate sauce. You got like
Zero sugar.
cookies and cream, yeah.
Cookies, I got cookies and cream, hot caramel sauce, honeycomb pieces.
Yeah, so good.
I'm not going to bother eating it though, do you want it?
Yeah, so he's happy, and we're in Chinatown. It is so busy where this is like more central, but it's absolutely buzzing. So now we're just gonna walk. We're gonna like do a long walk to where? Tottenham Road.
Holborn.
Oh,
Get the
Holborn.
tube.
We're gonna walk to Holborn, get on the tube there, and then go back to our hotel and eat this. Right, so we are back at the hotel room now. We've called the boys and we're just chilling out. So I think I mentioned we walked from Shoreditch to Chelsea. Matt just checked his health app and we have done...
I'm dead.
And we're dead. We've walked 27,000 steps today. So that was good.
Yeah.
It's worked off
Waffle ice cream.
It's worked off the waffle ice cream. And it was really festive and nice,
Yeah, it's
wasn't
nice,
it?
yeah.
It was really nice.
Yeah.
So now we're back at the hotel room. We're staying at a place called
Hart.
Hart.
H-A-R-T.
Yeah,
Shoreditch.
Hart in Shoreditch. I didn't do a room tour actually, but it is a really cute hotel room, and we're just basically gonna lay on the couch. We've put on Emily in Paris because
We've had Matt in London. We're now watching Emily in Paris.
oh yeah,
I've been waiting to say that.
have you? Got a good joke there. But yeah, we're just
Bad
gonna
joke.
watch some of that.
45-year-old joke.
Just like it's not even that late. It's 8:30, but we're gonna I'm gonna do
Chill.
my skincare, get my pajamas, and just
Stop
chill.
turning me on.
No, I know, but we called the kids back home and I don't know. It's weird. We never really leave the kids ever, do we?
No.
We only get one night off a year.
It's nice to just not have to do the whole bedtime, as much as I love it.
Yeah, it's just it's weird being able to just choose a TV show you want to watch, and I feel like I'm constantly getting up for the kids. They're like, "Oh, Mum, can I have an apple? Can I have a tea? Can I have this?"
Not moaning about rappers on the...
Yeah, and then being like, "Right, now it's your turn to go to bed. Now it's your turn to go to bed."
Just moaning about when
you
we
just
get back.
never sit. And then the dog starts. The dog wants a treat. Doesn't want to walk. It is constant.
You wanted them all.
So now we're just wait, you didn't. So yeah, it's actually quite nice to just chill for a night
Yeah.
before the Christmas craziness. So yeah, I think I'll end the vlog here because we're pretty much just gonna go to bed, and then tomorrow we'll have breakfast and make our way home. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Our festive days in London.
My birthday.
Matt's birthday.
December birthdays, you know.
Matt's December birthday, yeah. Conveniently right before Christmas. It's actually really nice.
Yeah.
Because we always have a day
Everyone's like,
for your
oh,
birthday.
isn't it annoying? I'm like, I don't really know any different.
No.
And everyone's in a good mood.
Yeah. And we're having actually a bit of a do at the house in 2 days' time with all of Matt's friends and their kids. So that'll be your birthday as well,
Yeah.
won't it? So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.